Withdrawing money from your Kayak account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Kayak account. Access your Kayak account by visiting the Kayak website or opening the app. Enter your login credentials to sign in. Step 2. Navigate to the payment section. Once logged in, locate the payment or wallet section of your account. This is typically found in your account settings or profile menu. Step 3. Select withdraw funds. In the payment section, look for an option to withdraw funds. Click on this option to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount and bank details. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. You will also need to provide your bank account details, including the account number and routing number, if required. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal. Review your withdrawal request for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the request. You should receive a notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Be sure to check your bank account for the transaction and allow some time for processing.